G'day guys. Now I'm just going to talk briefly about one thing that really annoys me with, well, Apple at the moment, but quite a few new manufacturers releasing phones without chargers in the box, yet they still include the charging cable. So for example, quite easy example here, got an iPhone SE, so the latest model. Let's say a person's just upgraded from their iPhone 5 or 5S, lightning port, to an SE. Which I could have swore when these first came out, they did actually have a charger, but it wasn't until the release of the 12 that they had a revision. I may be wrong with that, but I'm pretty sure these always did have a charger. Anyway, so your mum, your dad, your grandpa, your grandma, whoever it is, buys it, go to charge their brand new phone, look in the box, what do we see? We see a Type-C to Lightning. Oh, well that's inconvenient. Why did they include that in the box? Where they know the majority of people are going to be jumping up from a 5 or a 6, maybe a 7. Where their standard charger, so using USB-A to Lightning, not USB or Type-C to Lightning. So what that gives, essentially what that means for the customer is, or the person that just purchased the iPhone SE, is that they now have to either A, reuse their potentially up to 5-year-old charger that they already have and the charging cable, or they have to shell out more money and buy a fast charger from Apple, which means more profit for them. So I definitely see this as a bit of a shafting of the customer. I would have expected that to have a USB-A to Lightning as opposed to Type-C, which I definitely don't see the point why they included that in the box. All that's doing is forcing their customers to purchase another charger rather than retaining their existing wall charger and then using a brand new fresh cable. Huge disappointment. I know my outrage may be a couple of years too late, but better late than never. Catch you guys later. Bye.